To get started with LiNotes, visit LiNotesApp.com. Click on Download and then tap the Add to Chrome button in the Chrome Web Store to install the extension. Once installed, open your Extensions menu and pin LiNotes for quick access. The first step is to create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice badges appearing next to LinkedIn profiles. Let's add your first note. Simply click the badge and start typing. You can add as many notes as you need. To view all your notes, tap the LiNotes icon in the Extensions bar. From there, you can browse and filter notes by contact name or content. If you have any suggestions or ideas, share them through the contact form. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping the future of LiNotes. Thank you for watching.